Alright, I'm just going to jump straight into this one. 07 4Runner V8, Doug Thorley headers, Gibson stainless exhaust. Alright, I better get out of here before somebody calls the cops. So I actually tested this ahead of time to see what's going to give me the most accurate sound on this camera. And I tried it with an external microphone, and actually without the microphone, I think it's the most realistic to what it sounds like in real life. Okay, I'll take you inside here, show you what it sounds like from inside the cabin. It's kind of backwards with this exhaust. I think it's louder from the inside than it is on the outside. I don't know, I haven't watched the footage back of the drive-bys I just did, but it's kind of strange. There is a bit of a drone spot right between, let's say, 1800 and 2000 RPM. It's not terrible, but it definitely exists. I don't understand how people can say that this exhaust doesn't drone at all, but keep in mind this is also with the V8 too. The V6s might be different, I don't know. Definitely, if you have a V6, it won't sound the same as this truck, so you might want to keep on watching other videos to get an accurate description. But overall, like at light throttle, when you're off the throttle, this is a really quiet exhaust. It really doesn't make a whole lot of noise when you're at part throttle or light throttle. Even at wide open throttle is not that loud considering what exactly is going on there, but it's that one drone spot that you'll notice right around 1800 to 2000 RPM. It kind of shakes your fillings a little bit. If you already got a headache, it certainly isn't going to make it any better. It's not the end of the world, but it is there. But as you can see, I'm just cruising around on these kind of quiet, slow streets, and no real complaints. It's actually quite quiet. Now, one other thing worth noting is that if you're running any kind of aggressive off-road tires, that will cover up the sound of the drone, I think. Now, unfortunately, that drone spot is kind of right in the RPM where you'll be cruising in highway or interstate speeds, and it's kind of unfortunate, but like I say, if you have aggressive tires that have a bit of a howl to them, that does cover it up a bit. On this truck specifically, I've got Duratracs on it, which are not the most aggressive off-road tire, but they're certainly a lot louder than regular passenger tires. So as you can see, it's definitely not straight pipe loud or anything, but you can certainly tell that this has a aftermarket exhaust on it. It's not just stock. Now, even though I checked to make sure that this is the most accurate sound I can get on camera, keep in mind that everything always sounds louder on camera. Ooh, that guy was getting it. Like, you'll notice, say, on detailing videos and stuff, it'll sound like they're scratching the crap out of a panel or something using a brush. And it's really a soft brush. It's just that the microphone magnifies the sound. So I'm not sure how this is going to sound in the actual video, but it's certainly a possibility that it'll be quieter in real life than it sounds on this video. There, that's the drone spot right there. I don't know if that's showing up on camera or not. Just ignore my air suspension off light that's flashing there. I cannot for the life of me get that to turn off. I've disconnected every fuse, every relay, every module that controls the air suspension that I deleted, and that thing still flashes, so just learn to live with it. But I mean, right now, I think I'm hearing more of the tires than I am of the actual exhaust in here. So if you're on the fence on whether or not to buy this exhaust, hopefully this video helped you out a little bit to give you an idea of what it sounds like. If you want to read more of my thoughts, I've got a full review on the website. You can go ahead and check that out. I'll throw the link down in the description. That UPS truck is rolling coal up there. Holy crap. Anywho, hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.